Question 1. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is first and foremost. What's this puzzle saying? It's take the first step. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is it's uneasy. Can you decode this puzzle? Can you guess right? Answer is never give up. What's this puzzle saying? Get over it. What's this puzzle saying? Did you guess right? You can do it. Can you decode this puzzle? It's backward never. Can you decode this puzzle? This is easy. It's think outside the box. What's this puzzle saying? There's blessing in breaking. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is he came out of nowhere. Can you decode this puzzle? It's ready to go. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is catch up with me. What's this puzzle saying? This is a bit tricky. Answer is can be overwhelming. Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is don't compare. What's this puzzle saying? It's intended. Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is all in all. What's this puzzle saying? There is light at the end of the tunnel. Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is bright future. What's this puzzle saying? This is a motivational word. Answer is I believe in you. Can you decode this puzzle? It's see you at the top. Success is a product of daily habit, not a once-in-a-lifetime transformation. I hope these puzzles inspired you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. Keep learning and never give up, you're doing great.